Everyone, be warned. This T-Rex is going to destroy everything in its path. As soon as you turn it on, this walking T-Rex dinosaur toy comes to life, moving forward, opening and closing its jaws, and making loud dinosaur sounds that instantly grab attention. While it walks, the T-Rex also wags its tail, which makes it feel more realistic and fun to watch. One of the coolest features is the mist spray effect that comes out of the dinosaur's mouth. When the lights are on and the mist spray at the same time, it looks like the dinosaur is breathing flame while roaring, which kids absolutely love. Using the mist feature is simple. You just add a small amount of water with the included bottle and it's ready to go. It doesn't take much water at all, but it adds a big visual effect during playtime. The tail is detachable as well, which makes storage easier when the toy isn't being used. This T-Rex runs on 3 AA batteries and it feels sturdy and durable. Even with active play, it's designed for kids who like action toys and help encourage imagination and role play as they create their own dinosaur adventures around the house. Overall, this walking T-Rex dinosaur toy is loud, exciting, and full of movement. If your kids love dinosaurs and enjoy toys that walk, roar, and spray mist, this is a fun and energetic addition to their toy collection.